Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? We've got some long words and some two-word phrases. That does often make it easier, because they tend to not have so many different possible definitions. Let's see if that works out today. Old-fashioned at the top is a cocktail. We've got cocktail itself in the grid, but I don't think there's 3 other cocktails, and it wouldn't be a group of cocktails if cocktail was a separate entry, because they're not just going to tell you the answer like that. So what are we going to do instead? Speculative. Speculative, in terms of definitions, doesn't seem to go with any of the others. I mean, maybe speculative, literary, and historical are joined together somehow. Young adult is a section of a library, so is historical. But I don't think literary or speculative are technically sections of a library, even though they could be book-related words. I mean, it still might be a literary group. There's Farewell. There's Farewell to Arms. I think that's a book. And Old Man, as in Old Man and the Sea. I think they're all Hemingway titles. But I don't know any others. I feel like Bell might be one of them, though. I say I don't know any others, and then another one might come to me just by reading the words in the grid. I'm not sure I know what the fourth one's going to be. I'll park Old Man, Farewell, and Bell and try to focus on other things. What's Collins? All I know is Collins Dictionary. Are there really other types of dictionaries? Literary dictionary, I suppose? Yeah, a historical dictionary. Maybe a speculative dictionary. I mean, there's probably a cocktail dictionary, though, isn't there? That feels plausible. Oh, it's not even one away. Okay. Not remotely close. Um, what are we going to do instead, then? Skinny? What can that be apart from skinny jeans? I suppose we've got mum jeans. Oh, I don't know enough about jeans. There's not going to be young adult jeans or cocktail jeans. Flare jeans, I suppose. Sun jeans, do we think? Or boyfriend jeans? Or cocktail jeans? Are boyfriend jeans really a thing? Old-fashioned jeans? Surely that's not a thing. Let's just try these. They are all kinds of jeans. Okay. We've got off the mark, and we've still got Old Man Bell and Farewell. So we'll park those still. And then we need to work out what on earth else we should do. It still feels like we've got kinds of reference books. The Collins Dictionary. I'm very surprised I wasn't even one away on that other group, because I really don't know what Collins is going to be apart from a dictionary. But the other problem is that Son and Bell and Old Man could easily be on some kind of American logo that I don't know about. So it might not be Hemingway books at all. Young adult fiction, historical fiction, those are definitely both concepts. Speculative fiction, I mean, I suppose it's plausible, but what would the fourth one be? It's not just going to be called literary fiction, is it? Surely not. I suppose let's try it. It is. They're just fiction categories. Categories. Fair enough. I was overthinking that. Right. So if it is these 3, goodness knows what the fourth one could be. It's not going to be cocktail or old-fashioned. I don't think it's going to be shot. Oh, cocktail, old-fashioned, and shot are all alcohol related. Old-fashioned is a specific cocktail, and a shot is obviously a measure of alcohol as well. Maybe old-fashioned isn't specifically a type of cocktail, though. Maybe it's got a subtly different definition. which allows it to be in the same group as cocktail. So what do we think the fourth one would be? I think a Collins might be an alcoholic thing, so let's try Sun in this group. That does seem plausible. They are all words in Hemingway titles. Wow, I've surprised myself there with how highbrow that topic was, and I still managed to work it out. Never read any of them. Glassware. What? Collins glass, cocktail glass, old-fashioned glass, and shot glass. I mean, I feel like I've heard of shot glass. Not sure about the others. That's a weird group to end with, but it didn't matter that I didn't work out what was going on because somehow I survived by knowing Hemingway titles. Who knew? Anyway, we got there with only that one early mistake. I thought I was doomed on that one, but we got through it in 5 total guesses. Let me know how you got on with this one. I don't think it was the easiest, but maybe you whizzed through it. Let me know either way. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.